I'm James, and you're at home with Floor Decor. I work in the marketing department at Floor Decor with a hand in pro services. My wife and I, Ashley, moved into this neighborhood in July of 2019 with our 2 young boys. We wanted a bigger space and a larger backyard for the boys to play. We decided to start our bathroom project because 2 weeks after we moved in, we realized that the master shower was leaking into our kitchen, so we really didn't have another choice. The goal of this project was really to make the master bathroom our own. I'd say our style inspiration was transitional. You know, there's a lot of features about this home that are very traditional, but both my wife and I are young and we want a modern look to kind of meld with that traditional look. In the master bathroom, it was all about the shower. So we started with a marble look hexagon for the shower floor and carried that over into the niche to provide contrast to the subway tile that we used for the shower walls. So my wife and I really like to add accents of color, especially like the Pantone color of the year, classic blue. So we have a piece in our kitchen, our son's bedroom, and now our master bathroom that all encompass this navy blue color. There were a lot of benefits working with a Floor Decor Pro. His knowledge of the Floor Decor products, as well as his understanding of their vast selection, meant that we were able to understand the entire catalog of products very quickly and easily. Floor Decor products really helped us to make this space our own, but they're also durable and high quality. So when we go to move later, we know that we're gonna get the value back of the investment we made in our bathroom. At Floor Decor, you can create your perfect space too.